not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Christmas gift ideas guaranteed in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. 16. Kids Smart Speaker Player. This child-friendly smart speaker is controlled by physical cards that kids can scan to play music, audiobooks, podcasts, and more. It can also be used as a night light, clock, and sleep trainer. Unlike the Amazon Echo for kids, there's no camera, no microphone, and no ads to ensure total privacy and safety for your tot. 15. 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer. Gift them this popular programmable air fryer so that they can cook up all of their favorite crispy foods without any of the guilt. 8 presets will make it easy to switch from dippable chicken fingers to decadent fried Oreos, and because it offers a bake function too, there are practically no limits to what they can make. 14. Theragun Mini. If working from home has left their back feeling tight and achy, this tiny Theragun will loosen built-up tension with a powerful percussion massage. It's the brand's smallest device to date, making its convenient pocket size ultra-portable for on-the-go relief. Plus, it uses quiet force technology for a near-silent experience when in use. 13. Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Camera is a great Christmas gift for that friend who loves to snap photos constantly, and now the pics don't have to sit in their camera roll. It comes in vibrant light blue, dark blue, green, pink, and smoky white, so you can pick the color that matches their personality. Just be sure to order some film packs to go with it so they can take pictures of everyone else opening presents. 12. Long Distance Friendship Lamp. If you're separated by distance from a loved one, gifting a set of 2 light-up friendship lamps will help your loved ones feel closer, no matter the circumstance. Whenever you think of your recipient, reach out and touch your lamp to send love their way. Their corresponding unit will instantly light up, emitting a soul-warming ambient glow that'll make them feel fuzzy inside. 11. Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Keeping tea, coffee, and hot cocoa warm has never been easier than with Ember's Genius Smart Mug. It can be controlled with a smartphone and has a long-lasting battery. It'll maintain their preferred sipping temperature, so they don't have to keep running to the microwave ever so often to heat up lukewarm liquids. Number 10. iPad Air, 5th generation. Even if they're not the most tech-savvy, tablets make one of the best Christmas gifts. The latest splurge-worthy iPad Air features fingerprint authentication, a Retina display with True Tone tech, and the new 12MP ultra-wide FaceTime camera for better video calls with loved ones near and far. We're impressed by the upgraded rear-facing camera and M1 chip that can handle even the busiest of users. 10.9-inch liquid Retina display with True Tone, P3 wide color, and an anti-reflective coating, Apple M1 chip with Neural Engine, 0.12MP wide camera. 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage, up to 256 GB of storage, available in blue, purple, pink, starlight, and space gray stereo landscape speakers. IP products are assessed against criteria including energy use and have a reduced sustainability impact across their life cycle. Number 9. AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. These wireless earbuds are sure to be at the top of someone's list. We love the latest version of the AirPods Pro for its improved sound quality, longer battery life, and comfy fit. Additionally, with its active noise cancellation and water resistance, these are the best buds for Apple users. Personalized spatial audio surrounds you in sound tune just for you. It works with dynamic head tracking to immerse you deeper in music and movies. Now you can swipe the stem to adjust volume. Press it to play and pause music or to answer and end a call, or hold it to switch between active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency. Keep track of AirPods Pro with precision finding and a built-in speaker. A lanyard loop keeps your AirPods Pro close. Quick access to Siri by saying "Hey Siri." Easy setup, in-ear detection, and automatic switching between devices. Audio sharing lets you share a song or a show between two sets of AirPods on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Apple TV. Number 8. Coravin Timeless 3+ Wine Preservation System. This wine preservation system from Coravin will preserve any wine lover's most prized and favorite vinos in between pours. It uses argon gas to prevent oxidation of the remaining wine, while the coated needle pierces through cork, so your recipient can pour and enjoy a glass without ever opening the bottle. Best-in-class wine preservation system keeps your wine safe from oxidation, allowing it to continue to age naturally. The Coravin Timeless 3+ Wine Preservation System lets you pour wine effortlessly without removing the cork, so you can enjoy the rest of the bottle for weeks, months, or even years. Specially designed coated wine needle pierces gently through your wine cork, allowing you to pour wine both quickly and smoothly. Number 7. Artie 3000 Coating Robot. Kitty coders can get creative with a design drawing stem toy that offers pre-programmed options for beginners, plus advanced apps that'll help them expand their knowledge as their skills grow. It comes with an Artie 3000 robot for washable markers and activity cards. In no time, they'll be pros at creating with Python and JavaScript. Spark more curiosity with Artie 3000, the coding, drawing robot. Artie puts the A in STEAM, using creativity to teach kids to code in 4 different programming languages. Just plug Artie 3000 into your own tablet or computer, no Wi-Fi required, then follow the easy instructions to create your own code and watch as Artie 3000 draws your code on paper. Beginners drag and drop blocks of code to tell Artie how and what to draw. Number 6. One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. For salon-quality blowouts they can achieve at home, this detangling hot airbrush will leave her hair dry, silky, and super volumized. Its unique oval shape allows for extra lift at the roots and collier ends, so they'll never miss using a traditional blow dryer. This is one Christmas they'll never return. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer 1.0 Original is a designed hair dryer plus hot airbrush to deliver gorgeous volume and brilliant shine in a single step. The unique non-detachable oval brush design smooths hair while the rounded edges quickly create volume at the root for beautifully full-bodied bends at the ends in a single pass. The brush is designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improve volume and control. Styling flexibility is guaranteed with 3 heat/speed settings and a cool option. Built to provide just the right amount of heat. Number 5. Sprocket Portable Photo Printer Starter Bundle. It's all about instant gratification these days, so help them turn their digital memories into physical memorabilia with a click of a button. This HP Sprocket Starter Bundle is a fun Christmas gift that's capable of printing 2x 3-inch photos on the included zero-ink paper. They can even edit photos before printing with Sprocket's mobile app. The bundle includes a deluxe case, sticker sets, twin-tip markers, square hanging frames, and an album to store all their pics. Send photos straight from your social media feed to the palm of your hand with the HP Sprocket Select Portable Photo Printer. This pocket-sized wonder allows you to print full-color sticky-back photographs in an instant and nearly 30% larger than the original HP Sprocket. Number 4. Portable Campfire. For anyone who loves to sit back and relax near the campfire but doesn't have the space or wherewithal to build one, gift them this nifty little thing for Christmas. The candlelight campfire has 3 to 5 hours of burn time and is sleek enough to bring the campfire wherever, be it the beach, the backyard, or anywhere else. Bring it with you anywhere. The Radiate Portable Campfire weighs only 4 pounds and is 8-inch wide, making it the hassle-free outdoor fire pit you can use wherever life takes you. Bring a little warmth and a lot of fun hiking, camping, glamping, to the beach, on picnics, to the backyard patio, to tailgates, on RV adventures and road trips, or anywhere else you'd want to gather around a bonfire. Light the recycled paper briquettes using a lighter or match until the fire spreads completely. Slide the lid back on to smother the flame and extinguish. Let the container cool down completely before handling. Number 3. Wireless sleep headphones. If your loved one typically has trouble falling asleep with headphones, especially when lying on their sides, these Bluetooth sleeping headphones with flat speakers will be a useful Christmas gift. It has built-in control buttons, clear sound quality, and a 12-hour battery life so they can listen throughout the night for restful sleep. Wireless sports headphones features wireless 5.0 technology that produce great sound quality devices. Can pair your iPhone X, iPhone 8, or any other smartphone's iPad tablets easily. Bluetooth headband headphones is made of durable braided cord and offer a breathable mesh lining, extremely stretchable, fit most head size. What is more, it's incredibly soft and hypoallergenic. Bluetooth sleep headphones is machine washable. Just remove control pod first. Cool gifts for Thanksgiving Day, Christmas stocking stuffers, Secret Santa gifts, birthday, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, and many other gift-giving occasions. Number 2. 3-in-1 wireless charger. If your loved one is an Apple user, they're sure to love this Christmas gift. It will not only give them a designated space to store all their devices but also offers wireless charging. Its sleek design can hold an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, so all their devices can charge at one time without a mess of cords. Exclusive multifunctional intelligent protect technology provides temperature control, surge protection, short circuit prevention, and more. Intelligent charging current control protects your device battery under fast charging. Place horizontally to enjoy videos while charging, or vertically for video conferencing or facial recognition. Number 1. Sleep aid device. Give the gift of sweeter dreams with a genius sleep aid device that'll permanently put your recipient's troubled nights to bed. An illuminated metronome system will teach them how to doze off naturally with an expanding light that'll prompt them to breathe in and retract when it's time to breathe out. You will occupy your brain with an activity that is much less distracting and exciting than the thoughts that keep you awake. Simple, but extremely effective. In psychology, this is what we call the paradoxical intention. Dodau's light intensity is too dim to prevent melatonin secretion, the sleep hormone. 3 levels of light intensity are available. The color blue is actually known for its relaxing properties, which after much testing, we found that the blue shade of cyan provided the best.